because this is a quick video making cream spinach. There's nothing really to it. It is something that all South Africans, for some reason, either hate or love. Every restaurant, well, not the fine dining ones, every franchise restaurant has it on their menu for some reason. And when I say franchise restaurant, I'm not talking about McDonald's. I'm referring to, yeah, you know the ones, eh? And they'll have this and they'll have butternut. And I was craving spinach. I bought a big bag of it, and I thought, okay, I said I'd put content on my channel. So we're making cream spinach. It is from this small anyana book of mine, the one that's got a lovely badge on it that says bestseller. I'm very proud of that badge because I didn't think it would actually resonate that much, because it's food that people think they know well, and then I'm someone who likes to get technical, so I thought maybe people would find it a bit too highbrow, but clearly not. Tomorrow I'll make a video explaining a lot of things in there that, yeah, actually pretty deep. Um, there's reasons to everything in there, even like the smallest little picture. There are reasons to everything. So tomorrow I'll do a walkthrough of how I wrote Dijo and why the imagery is the way it is and why the recipes are the way they are. And there's other things in there, but we'll get to that another day. I'm heading out to the chemist. I need to go pick up sanitizer and all those things. But then I thought, okay, since I've got spinach in my fridge, let me show you how I make cream spinach. It's a quick recipe, 5 minutes. We do not overcook spinach. That is one major thing. When I grew up, my mom would cook it for forever, and it would come out as a mush. It would be, it wasn't something I would enjoy as a kid. And when I got older, I would crave spinach, but then I learned that it is not meant to be cooked the way my mom made it and the way I grew up having it. What my dad would do to try add, I don't know, some excitement to it, to take peanuts and would add them in there. My dad is from Mulechi, and yeah, Betty man to the core. Grew up there from the village, and go Limpopo, peanuts and nuts, and actually the rest of Africa going up. Nuts are added to greens. It's just something that's always been part of our culture. Hey, I'm getting deep now. I said I wouldn't get deep. But yeah, this is how I make my cream spinach. You can leave the peanut butter out. I enjoy it with peanut butter. So I'm going to be adding peanut butter. If you don't have creme fraiche, then you can add just cream, which is what I'm going to be doing here. In my book, I mentioned creme fraiche, but I'll be using cream instead. And there's Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan is important, so that one, please don't leave out. It adds all the other flavors to it. It brings it all together. Okay, that's it really. There isn't that much complicated about it. Let me quickly run and go get all the ingredients, and yeah, this is how I make cream spinach. Probably will be one of the quickest videos I'll ever make on this channel. Okay, this is all you're going to need, literally these 5 ingredients. That's 50 grams of unsalted butter. This is about 200 grams of baby spinach. This will also work for normal spinach, but make sure you pull all the leaves from the stalks if you are going to be cooking normal spinach, I mean Swiss chard. Okay, this is a spoon of peanut butter, sugar-free peanut butter. You can use normal peanut butter. I only consume sugar-free products. And this over here is 175 moles of cream. 175 moles of cream is about 2/3 of a cup. All right. I'm using cream, therefore I don't need to blanch this in hot water before I cook it. If you have the book, then you'll know that I mentioned blanching the spinach first. That's because in the book I use creme fraiche and not cream. But because we're using cream, it adds enough moisture to the dish that you do not need to blanch the spinach. Over here is 3 spoons of Parmesan cheese, and that's it. That is all you need. This will probably be the quickest cooking video I'll post on my channel. So the very first thing you do, get your pan hot. Get your pan hot and throw in your butter. Get your butter melting. And now throw in your baby spinach. Once you've wilted your spinach, add in your cream. And then let it simmer for about another 2 minutes. You just want the cream to thicken a bit. Whilst that is going, you can add your peanut butter. And now also add your cheese. And that's it. The cream spinach is done. You can stop cooking it now. You want it to still be al dente. Off the heat, serve immediately. Don't let it sit in the pot. Peanut butter cream spinach. A 4-minute recipe, done.